Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about the Grey Yacht Master. There are two versions of this style. One is the old version. One is the new version. This one is the new version. At 6 o'clock of the new version has a small crown. The old version doesn't have a small crown. The difference between the two movements is the 31-35 and 32-35. The new version is the 32-35, which can reach 70 hours of power reserve. The 31-35, its power reserve can only about 50 hours. The difference in the dial is the small crown, and the other parts are basically the same. It's hard to distinguish the appearance. The good factories in the current market because its 3235 uses the Dandung movement. There is no need to introduce the Dandung movement because basically everyone knows that Dandung's movement is really good. As for the power reserve, can truly achieve 70 hours of power reserve. The stability of the movement is also very stable. And other factories, such as C Factory, all use the Shanghai 3235 movement. The Shanghai movement is also good, but the power reserve of the movement can only reach 50 or 60 hours, which is not as long as that of Dandung. As for stability, the stability of the two movements is similar. It's just that the power reserve is just a little lower than that of VS. Then, in terms of appearance, let's see how both factories do. I brought the one from VS Factory today. Let's take a look at this one from VS Factory. Its outer ring is like this. Zoom in a little. It has a matte grainy texture. This sandblasting process and these embossed parts are all polished, and the glass mirror is also slightly raised. There is also a counterfeit-proof crown at 6 o'clock. When you look at it in the sun, it's clearer this little bit. The details of the dial are also done. The radial lines are also quite delicate, which is very beautiful. The difference between the outer ring and C Factory. I think the outer ring, the VS Factory's outer ring, is more regular because of its sandblasting process is really obvious. It's like this, looks a bit grainy. But if you zoom in on the C Factory, there is no such a grainy feeling. It will be slightly flatter. So from a direct view, the VS Factory's is better. And the movement is also better than that of C Factory. So why should we choose C Factory? And the C Factory one is more expensive. Which is more expensive than VS? Let's look at the details of the dial. The dial, the hands, and the luminous of the bezel are all done quite well. There is a small detail. It's the luminescence. The luminous is this grey color, and it also looks like a frosted texture. It's not pure white. If it's white, it's not right. It is made with a sandblasting process, which is matte, and a little bit of a dark white color. It's not pure white. Pure white is not the right version. So now, all upgraded to the right texture. The magnification is also relatively moderate. The steel belt is made of 94 steel, so I don't need to introduce it. The case is the same. The sides are brushed and polished in the middle. It's basically the same as the C Factory's steel belt. It's brushed. The craftsmanship is also very delicate, and even in the places you can't see, the inside is also well done and not very rough. The details of the buckle are also well done. It's a one-piece mat, and the engravings are all quite deep. VS Factory's code is 2WP. The clasp of C Factory is different, and the four corners of the cover are all chamfered. You won't feel it's rough when you touch it, and it will be relatively comfortable to wear. Let's adjust the time. The head is rotated backwards. It's suspended type, which can be worn when swimming. Pull it up to wind the spring. Pull it out one gear to adjust the quality, and it's easy. Pull it out again to adjust the time down. 3235, it's down to adjust the time. 3135 is to adjust the time up. So there is a difference between them. The new one is down. Then press and rotate the crown up to lock the head. Then the outer ring can also be rotated. Its outer ring can rotate in both directions. And there is no sound. If there is a sound, it is not right. The Submariner has a sound. Then the Grey Yacht Master and Greenwich, all of them are silent. It can be easily rotated, and the outer ring doesn't need to be adjusted. We just need to align it to 12 o'clock. Just align it to 12 o'clock. The VS Factory is definitely better than CS. The outer ring, including the luminous filling of the hour markers and these white powders, will be more in line with the original version, and the movement will be better than CS. The power reserve can also reach 70 hours. So for the Yacht Master, I definitely recommend the VS Factory. will be better. But VS Factory is also difficult to order. Basically, you have to place an order. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.